Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Portfolio Analysis. So we can move to the instruction file. Assignment title is Exp19 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Portfolio Analysis. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses is. We can move to the step number 1. Start Excel download and open the file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Portfolio Analysis. In XLS, Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. So step number 1 is complete. We can move to the step number 2. Step number 2 is use the STDEV function to calculate the standard deviation between the current value of all commodities in the cell G6. Insert the STDEV function, go to the Excel worksheet and selected cell is the G6. Standard deviation between the current value of all commodities in cell G6. Type is equal to and type the STDEV function. Open the STDEV function and number 1 is calculate the standard deviation. Number 1 is selected range is E6 to current value is E6 to E24. Click OK. Step number 2 is complete. We can move to the step number 3. Step number 3 is use the variance function to calculate the variance between the current value of all commodities in the cell G9. Insert the variance function. So selected cell is G9. Type is equal to and type the variance function. Open the variance function and variance between the current value of all commodities in a cell G9. So the number 1 is a current value column E6 to E24 and click OK. So step number 3 is complete. We can move to the step number 4. Step number 4 is ensure the analysis toolpak loaded create a descriptive statistics summary based on the current value investment in the column A display the output cell G12. Ensure the analysis toolpak is loaded. Go to the data tab and analyze group and select the data analysis and create a descriptive statistics summary. Descriptive statistics. Click OK. and summary based on the current value investment in a column B, and display the output cell is a G12. So input range is a E6 to E24, current value column E6 to E24, and check the label in the first, and output option is a output range selected. So display the output cell in a G12. Output cell range is a G12. And selected the summary statistic. Click OK. Step number 4 is complete. We can move to the step number 5. Step number 5 is format the mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, and sum the report accounting number format. Resize the column as needed it. Apply the outfit column. Format the mean, medium, and mode. Apply the accounting number format. Go to the home tab and number group and apply the accounting. Click OK and apply the median accounting number. Median is selected. Go to the home tab and number group. Click the accounting and click OK. Next is a mode and minimum. Selected cell is the mode, home tab and number group. Click accounting number format and click OK. Minimum and maximum. Select the cell is minimum, number group, accounting number format and click OK. And apply the maximum, number group and accounting. Apply the accounting number format and sum in the report. Apply the sum. Apply the accounting number format. Click OK. And resize the column is needed. I have already applied the accounting number autofill column.